Is chasing down paper timesheets eating up your week? Submitting time electronically in ADP creates a clear, approved record for seamless payroll processing. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. As an employee, you'll log into the ADP portal or mobile app. Navigate to the time and attendance section. Here, you can enter your hours for the pay period, typically by day, and assign them to the correct job or department codes. Once entered, you submit the timesheet for manager approval. As a manager, you'll receive a notification to review the hours in the same system. You can then approve, reject, with a note, or edit before sending it to payroll. My crucial pro tip: use the copy previous week feature if your hours are consistent. This saves massive data entry time. Also, always submit time before the deadline set by your payroll administrator to avoid payment delays. That's how you turn hours worked into an efficient, digital workflow. Do you prefer tracking time daily or doing it all at the end of the week? Share your habit below. For more tips that streamline your work, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.